Hi from Azim Votek. Today I have behind me a Domus bedsheet ironer. This is a CM3350 series. The manufacturer has provided a PLC, programmable logical control over here. So the operator can decide the speed of the ironer, the temperature, the folding pattern. So it's very useful for an operator. Machine comes with a preliminary folding system. The operator can decide whether the folded bed sheet has to come to the front side, here it comes to this side, or to the rear side of the machine. Can sense the amount of moisture or in the linen, and it decides the speed and the temperature according to the amount of moisture, so it gives a perfect ironing. So basically this mid-segment Domus ironer CM3350 is a fully loaded machine which can give perfect ironing and in a budget, good budget for a buyer.